Good afternoon, everybody. Sean here with XLR8 Roofing and Construction once again. We are out here in Sanford, Florida. We are in progress on a new tile roof here, but this roof originally had shingles. We're going to go ahead and change it from shingles to tile, and I'll tell you a little bit here in just a second about how we're able to do that, the process, and so on and so forth. But let me show you what we got going on at the moment. Like I said, this roof was previously a shingle roof. We have torn off the shingles and installed a high temperature rated peel and stick underlayment made specifically for tile and also metal roofs. We tore off the roof completely to the deck, re-nailed the roof deck, and then applied our peel and stick material. As you can see, we've got our tile delivered here. We've got one more half truckload coming with a few more pallets. We're able to get them all in the driveway, even though you can see we've got some limited parking here. We wanted to avoid having to put any out in the street, even though if need be, we would. But we were able to get it all up in the driveway. As you can see, everything is on top of plywood. So we are not going to damage this paver driveway whatsoever. No scratches, no nothing like that. We've got some safety equipment going up. I've got a bunch more in my truck. I'm getting ready to set up this whole job site for our tile install. We have our crew coming back here very shortly to start installing our metal. We have to put metal on the ridges, on the hips, and also in our valleys. I'll show you that metal right here. Here we go, guys. Here's our stack of all our custom made by our own company. We custom make all our own metal accessories. We have the metal valleys shaped in a W, perfect for these tiles, our metal hips and ridges, and we also have our custom drip edge in a custom color that we're going to install here this afternoon. We will have inspection tomorrow and we will start laying tiles soon after that. We've got everything you might need here, all our materials, our dumpster, and once again, yes, we supply our own dumpsters. So we have great communication with our dumpster driver. Anytime we need it to come or go, it's here or it's gone. No mess. As you can see, this driveway, we're keeping it very, very clean. We're having a big machine delivered here tomorrow, big forklift machine. We are going to plywood this entire driveway. Like I said, we've got plywood here underneath the tile pallets. We're gonna plywood the rest of this driveway as well as the sidewalk, everything all the way out to the street so we don't cause any scuffs, any rubber tire marks, any scratches to anything. We're gonna completely protect this house and it's gonna end up being a beautiful roof.